These are going to be the two product photography companies that I'm going to suggest, Virtuous Graphics and Viral Launch. So for the majority of you out there, when looking at the pricing and everything that people offer, Virtuous Graphics appears to be the best, and they've got very similar quality. Now, there is a one caveat where you might want to use Viral Launch if you really need to get specific American models, because Virtuous Graphics is in the Philippines. So that allows them to have, all Filipino workers, which are generally cost less. So you're able to get more bang for your buck, but they are limited on their model choice because they are in Manila. They can get you American models, but if you need to be very, very specific, if you're very particular about your brand and the people in that photography section, you might get faster and better service for that specific need by going with Viral Launch. So we have a $50 off photography for Viral Launch if you guys click down there, and then you get a free analysis and breakdown from Virtuous Graphics in the link down below. And these are the two that I've found to be the best for price and quality. They're Amazon experts. You know that all your images and everything that they make for you will be tailored to crush it on Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoy this and go check them out.